tell you. So not this vent down here, but the next one up, it's in the wall right behind the kitchen cabinets. It is a great big cast iron pipe. I mean, it's just barely fits inside the wall, so it's a great big one. And I think it goes from clear up to clear down. So it's probably pretty heavy, just so y'all watch out for it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I got disconnected for a second because of an alarm on my phone. But we're reconnected now. I have 23% of my battery left, so I think we can get through them, at least getting this on the ground. And then what I'll probably do is come back after I charge my phone a little bit, and then show you the lot once they've gone. Clean as you go, clean as you go. This is costing a little bit of money. That'll probably be a sad part when I have to write the check out, but that's all right. Just the way things work out sometimes.